Hello, my Lupin friends. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I miss you guys so much, more and more every day. I got to FaceTime with some of the friends over the weekend, like George. If you guys want to chat with me, ask your parents, you can just call me anytime. I'm happy to chat. Let's go ahead and do calendar. And then before spring break, when we last left our classroom, one of the new topics we were talking about in March was Asia. So I'd like to talk about Asia today a little bit, okay? All right, let's start with calendar. The last time we did calendar together was Friday, March 20th. And today is Monday, so we need to add 3 more days to our calendar. So let's see here. Let's count how many days we had in March before our weekend break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What number comes after 20? 21, correct? Well, I see we have a mistake on our calendar. That's okay. When we look at the numbers 12 and we look at the numbers 21, 21 has 2 tens and 1 unit, so the 2 is first. And in 12, there's 1 10 and 2 units, so the 10 is first, the 1 is first. We got them mixed up. That's okay, it happens all the time. We'll just add 21 here, 20, 21, and we'll put the 12 here. What number comes after 21? Cindy didn't dig it out. Let's get it. Sorry, my friends. 22. And now today for Monday, what number comes after 22? 23. 2 tens, 3 units. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020. And the weather on this beautiful spring day is sunny. Hooray, it was a beautiful sunny weekend. I hope you all got out to play. Usually in our classroom on a Monday, we write about our weekend. We say, on my weekend. And for the younger children, you just make 1 sentence about your weekend. And the older children, they can write a couple sentences. So on my weekend, Spencer and Lena and I went outside and went sledding. So a lot of times you see our picture stories come home, the children write 1 sentence about their weekend. On my weekend, I went sledding, and then they draw a picture. I can send some picture story paper home so that you guys can do this if you'd like. And then feel free to share it in our Facebook group or email it me or text me a picture or FaceTime me and share with me what you did on your weekend, okay? I'd love to hear. Okay, so it's kind of perfect that I have this big map on the wall in my dining room because we can look really closely at Asia, the largest continent of the 7 continents. We can sing our song. Ready? North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa. Don't forget Australia. Don't forget Antarctica. Tell me the continents, tell me the continents, tell me if you can. So Asia is the largest continent. The most people live on the Asian continent. More people than live on North America or South America or Africa or Asia or Australia or Europe. And you know, we talked about Antarctica. No people live there, only scientists visit there. So Asia is the largest continent. So I want to tell you some more facts about Asia, okay? So it being the largest one, it covers 30% of the Earth's surface, the land surface, not the water. So if we put all the land on the continent into one giant pizza, if we cut it into slices, Asia would be 3 out of 10 slices, 30%. It has over 40 countries. That's a lot of places. It also has a really special place in it. The tallest mountain on the entire Earth is called Mount Everest, and it is in Asia. It's in a country called Nepal. It's right. We look at it all the time. Let's see here. I should remember because my best friend has visited there. Here it is. Nepal. It's right next to China and India. Nepal. There's a picture in our classroom right above the bulletin board where we do circle that shows 3 really tall mountains. That's an actual picture of Mount Everest in Nepal. And last year, my best friend went there and she did some hiking in Mount Everest. And she had that picture painted of the mountains there while she was there, and she brought it back to donate to our classroom. So it's pretty special. Let's see. The weather in Asia, it can be very different. It can be very cold in the northern parts, up by the North Pole, and snowy most of the year. And the part that's in the southern part, near the imaginary line that goes around the Earth, we know this is called equator. It's very hot. It has lots of rainforest, jungles, deserts, mountains, rivers, cities. It's very diverse. It's a very large continent. And the people that live there, they like to live in the warmer places where they can grow food, and a lot of people there work in factories. So let's go ahead and look at, the biggest city where the most people live is China. This is where Miss Ling is from, Scarlett's family is from, Oliver's family is from. They share lots of great things with our classroom. Like Miss Ling has taught you how to do writing 1 to 10 in with Chinese calligraphy. And Scarlett has taught us before how to write in Chinese, or how to count to 10 in Chinese. They get to share a lot of information about where their family is from with us. So we're very lucky that we've got to learn so much about it. I sent home today an email, the map from our classroom that we use with the big puzzle map. You guys can color your own. If your parents have a printer, you can just print it out and color it. If you don't, that's okay. You can draw your own circle map and write some of the countries in it. Okay, so I sent home this one as well. I brought home color pencils from our classroom so that I can sit here and color. If you don't have color pencils, it's fine. You can use crayons or markers or pens, whatever you have at your house. Paint, however you would like to color your map. Another thing we had in our art area this month is called mandalas. This is something beautiful artwork that they like to do in China and Asia. Just ignore Spencer's phone. I sent some of these home too so that you may print them out in coloring. It's nice and relaxing. Okay. I think that's all I have for today. Tomorrow we're going to travel to Asia and look at some of the beautiful animals that live there. And we can teach your parents our animal game that we play when we play charades, and we have to act out the animal and your parents have to guess. You guys can make some circle maps about the animals. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I love you so much and I miss you guys. Happy Monday. See you tomorrow.